Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am wearing jogging bottoms on my bottom half. It is a lockdown, of course I'm going to be in my sweatpants. So welcome to my channel if you guys are new here. I make videos on sustainable fashion and vegan content, and as well as like self-love and self-development. If you like me, go follow me on Instagram at plant.strong.tam, where I share more fitness-based content, and feel free to subscribe and give the video a little like. So in today's video I thought I would do a little review unboxing haul for you guys for a handbag brand that I've been seeing kind of knocking about on Instagram, and several articles on like sustainable vegan bags. I read a few articles where they've been featured as a sustainable vegan bag brand, and I wanted to just give them a shot, try them out, because they had a bit of a sale on when I was looking at them. And I also just looked at their bags and fell completely in love, because I am the biggest sucker for bags ever. And most of the bags that I have are very minimal. I have a couple from Matt & Nat which I love, but they're both black and very like small and minimal bags, and they complement an outfit. And recently I've been wanting to have some bags in my collection that can be the centerpiece of an outfit rather than just highlighting the outfit, because I think bags are such an amazing accessory. I've always been obsessed with bags. Did not have the best taste. I had one of those accessorized like woven bags with like the zigzag pastel pattern on it. It was a whole thing, but I think my tastes have gotten a little better now. So yeah, I just got two bags from them that I thought I would show you guys, so that you know what they look like, what they feel like, what I think about them and their quality, before you guys go and spend your coin. So these bags are vegan leather and they're made from recycled plastic bottles. They come in these beautiful boxes, and if something comes in a box I'm just very happy, because it's just bougie, and I'm just a sucker for bouge, even if it's fake bouge. So I think we'll start with this bag. So this is from the Eva collection, and they also come in dust bags, and that's just another layer of bouge that I just am all here for. So like I said, I wanted a bit of a statement bag, and I think this is definitely more of a statement bag, because when I opened it I was like, ooh. So it's green. I do not have much green in my wardrobe, but I was like, maybe it's time to get some green. So my first impression with this bag is it is a sturdy bag. It is a big sturdy bag. It's obviously a mini shoulder bag from like very 90s inspired style, which I have been loving seeing everywhere at the moment. And as soon as I saw these mini bags I was like, I love these. And I have my Celine one that I thrifted, but thrifting nice bags is something that I've always really struggled with. And so because I've always struggled thrifting nice bags, I don't mind supporting more sustainable vegan leather brands and buying nice bags, because they're just something that I just like to buy new. If I can find an amazing thrifted bag like my Celine one, then I will buy it, but they're just like, they're something that's quite hard to find for me. I don't know if it's just the area I'm in or the stores that I go to. But first impressions of this bag is it feels really nice. It doesn't feel like that like kind of, you know, the plastic that kind of is like ripped. And when I was looking at this online I got worried that these edges would be the kind of plastic rubbering. You can see it on the handle. The handle has like the kind of rubbered edge, but I thought that this would also have it, and that made me a bit worried, because in my opinion that is a sign of a cheaper bag. But this doesn't. It's got the same fabric as the rest of the bag carried through the edges, which I really like. And then the hardware on the bag is just the silver, and it's got the branding of brand pretty much everywhere on it, you can see there, and it's also got it on the clasp as well, which is really nice. I like that attention to detail, and all of the straps are removable, so you can replace the straps if you wanted. I like the size of this bag, and it feels like a very sturdy, like heavy bag. It's not like flimsy. Yeah, this bag was £41, and they do it in all different colours, like baby blue, lemon yellow, white, baby pink, snakeskin. I really had to resist getting this in loads of different colours, but I thought that a green bag would be nice to accentuate a lot of my outfits, because I wear a lot of white with jeans or white with normal trousers. The zip as well slides really nicely. It feels like a high quality zip. It does have the fabric on it. I do kind of prefer it when bags don't have the like fabric zipper. And then the inside of the bag is just lined with this recycled material, and then it's got the branding in it. And yeah, I really like the feel of this bag. I think it's an amazing bag to pair with a simpler outfit to just like zhuzh up the outfit a little bit and just add a little bit of spice to your wardrobe, because I feel like a nice green bag just does that. And I really like this color of green. It's not too limey and it's not olivey, it's kind of like somewhere in between. So the other band that I got is from the ft.T collection, and this is the ft.T Ivory top handle, and this is, wow, I love this bag. All the details on this bag are really nice. It's not like a cheap plasticky feel, which I quite like, and it's very sturdy at the bottom. I can't even like squeeze it together, and there's not like an inside thing in the packaging. It's just literally as you can't squeeze the bottom together, so this bag will like hold this shape for a really long time, which I really like. I hate it when bags become misshapen. If you watch my Matt and Nat video, you know that I'm a sucker for like a good popper. The popper on this, ooh. For me, that is a sign of a good bag that's well made and has like time and thought put into it, because the popper just sounds robust, and this bag is robust. I reckon if you like hit someone around the head with this bag, it might send them to the A&E, so please don't hit someone over the head with this bag. This bag does have the kind of rubbering on the sides instead of the material continued round, which this bag has, which I wish it didn't. I wish that they'd finished the sides properly. I just don't like the rubbering on the sides of bags. I think it looks kind of cheap. And this bag was £47 on sale. So I don't know, like I am a massive fan of this bag overall, but I just wish that the material was carried around. I don't really like it when brands do that. And then it comes with this short handle attached to it, and the attachments to these handles are really sturdy. It came with a long handle as well, which is just this like big boy strap, and this feels like it wouldn't wrinkle at the shoulder, which is something that I hate as well when straps wear at the shoulder too much. I just think straps should be able to be on a shoulder. And then it has this embossed logo here, and both the bags have this croc detail, which I really like. I am a sucker for like croc detail. I really like it. I hate it when people have real croc bags, but fake croc I'm all behind. And then the lining of this bag is lovely. This one is lined with a fabric, but this one is lined with the same like fake leather as the outside of the bag, which I think is really nice detailing. It's the inside of the bag is really nice. I think this is the nicest inside of a bag that I own. And then it's got a zip for an inside pocket, which is just the sturdiest pocket I've ever felt. I don't think you can fit anything in that pocket. I would quite happily live in there. That is a nice inside of the bag. And then the last thing that I got was this acrylic tortoiseshell chain. There is a ft.T bag that comes with the tortoiseshell chain, but it had brown on the outside of the bag, which I wasn't a massive fan of, so I just decided to get the chain. And I just am all up in this tortoiseshell business. The buttons on this top are tortoiseshell, and in this you can see the clasps are really like kind of this solid metal ring. They're not like flimsy clasps that are going to break. And they're really easy to attach to each other. I probably, if I had more time, I would take off the short band. But I think this acrylic makes this bag look really nice and kind of classy. It's a really like heavy duty acrylic chain. This chain is going nowhere, and the tortoiseshelling through it is beautiful. Yeah, it kind of like, you can see it kind of like swirling through. You can see the detail coming through in this tortoiseshell link, which I really like. And like the links are just like stunning. They have this like beautiful like amber detail going through them. I'm a massive fan of that chain. So yeah, overall I really like the bags. I probably would buy from them again. The shipping was really good. They're fairly affordable, but I do want to try out more vegan bag brands. So if you have any brands that you want me to try, let me know. I'd say that I'd give the Eva bag I'd probably say a 7 out of 10 because of the zipper. I'm not really a big fan of like the fabric on the zipper. I prefer that the zips came out of like the leather, but I really like the style and the colour, and I think I'm going to use this bag a lot. as like an accent piece or as like the highlight of an outfit, which is what I wanted from these bags going into purchasing them. And then the ft.T bag, I probably would give this an 8 out of 10. It would have been like a 9 or a 10 out of 10, but I just think I gave my Matte and Nat bags like a 9.5, 10 out of 10 because their quality is just, but they are double the price of these bags. So I just think that the rubbering on the edge knocked this one down a little bit, but the fact that it is so sturdy, I'd say like an 8.5, yeah. And it is a heavy duty bag. Like, you could knock someone out with this. This is a dangerous weapon. And I do think that these bags look really classy as well, and they look really like high fashion and very chic and I think that their styles will also last across lots of different seasons. But yeah, I think these bags look really beautiful, and I'm a sucker for beautiful bags. Let me know what you guys think about these bags, if you purchase anything from this brand. Let me know if you guys want me to try any other brands and what other sustainable items you would like to see me try. But yeah, that was everything for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.